Hello, Mr. Soul. This is Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I wanted to take a nice high-quality video of this truck that you had expressed some interest in to let you get a better feel for what you're looking at. This is the 2015 Ram 2500 that you'd expressed some interest in with a little bit over 90,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner vehicle. It's got no accidents or damage. It has spent its whole life in Kentucky. We have just put what appears to be a brand new set of Firestone tires on it. You can see there the rock stuck in it because the tread is so deep. I know with you being so far away, you kind of want to get a better look at this truck, the quality, see what the paint looks like. It is a 90,000 mile truck, so you might see some light scratches. It's just the cost of purchasing the vehicle with a little bit more miles on it. This truck was used, but it is in good shape. So I'm going to walk down the side and kind of show you anything that I see imperfections. There's a little discoloration scratch right there. You can see a little bit right there. Overall, this truck looks good. There's a light one right there. I don't even know if you can see it. Just gonna kind of walk around and let you see. Just some light ones, nothing too deep. I don't see anything heavy duty. There's a scratch right there and a slight ding right there. Other than that, looks really nice. Obviously this truck's got the 6.7 liter turbo diesel, the lock-in rear end, the 6-speed automatic transmission. It's got the skid plates on the underside of it, fog lamps, Uconnect, so it's got the 8.4 inch screen. It's got the 18-inch wheels along with the spray-in bed liner. So I'll let you take a look in the bed as well. This one's also got your fifth wheel gooseneck prep package, so to be ready to hook up to a trailer and go. I'll let you take a little bit closer look at the interior here. The interior's in really good shape. I always try to show the driver's seat because that's the one that has the most wear normally, but as you can see, looks really good. So under here, carpet's in great shape. Looks nice. Show you the back here as well. It's in good shape. Like I said, it's a one-owner vehicle, no accidents or damage, so we would love to have your business. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. The number at the dealership is 270-586-3281. My name's Austin. Remember, we've got no dealer or dock fees here at this dealership, so it's just the price plus tax, title, and license. Let us know if there's anything at all we can do to